Many parents wonder, my child is growing, but potty training just isn't happening. Am I doing something wrong? If your child is autistic, potty training may take more time, and that's completely okay. It isn't about intelligence. It's about learning in a way that suits your child's unique needs. Some autistic children may not recognize the feeling of a full bladder or bowel. Others may be sensitive to sounds, lights, smells, or the sensation of sitting on a toilet. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards success. Tip 1. Wait for signs of readiness. Staying dry for longer, showing interest in the bathroom, or communicating discomfort with a wet diaper are good signs. Tip 2. Create a routine. Take your child to the toilet at the same times every day, after waking up, after meals, and before bedtime. Tip 3. Use visual schedules. Pictures help children understand each step. From walking to the bathroom, pulling down clothes, sitting on the toilet, wiping, flushing, and washing hands. Tip 4. Make the bathroom sensory-friendly. Use a toilet seat reducer, a footstool for stability, and reduce loud noises or harsh lighting if needed. Tip 5. Celebrate every success. Whether your child simply sits on the toilet or successfully uses it, praise them warmly. Stickers, favorite toys, or extra playtime can be wonderful rewards. Tip 6. When accidents happen, stay calm. Never punish or shame your child. Simply clean up, reassure them, and continue the routine. Remember, potty training is not a race. Every child develops at their own pace. Progress may be slow, but every small step is a victory. With patience, consistency, and love, your child can achieve this milestone. If your child is struggling with potty training, our multidisciplinary team can help you develop an individualized plan tailored to your child's needs. Together, let's celebrate every milestone. Together, let's empower every child.